Bad day at school?
The worst! Whoa!
Better now?
Why do we have to shine, Mommy? Because there is someone out there who will be happy to see you shine. Wow!
Need a ride?
Dude, slow down! You're gonna get us killed! Hey kid, Dad's coming home today. I know, Mom. You will love it. Darling, don't be afraid. I'll love you for 1,000 years.
After 70 million years.
They were fighting and a meteor crushed them.
Wow! Hey, don't be sad. I still love you.
I hate the pandemic. It feels like I've been inside forever.
What are you guys talking about? Your parents are cool. They are made for each other.
What about your parents?
Let's change the topic.
My hand sucks. I can't even see your photo.
Is it okay now? I'm hungry, Dad.
Ice is melting faster and our food chain is already broken. Only God can help us now.
Dad, you need to see this. Mom, it's okay to take a break. Kneel before your king. Why are you the way that you are? Wow, this is so cool.
I thought lions were the only problem.
Hey, Dad.
Let me concentrate, please.
Dad. Oh, how adorable they are.
Seriously?
I thought you had online class today.
Don't worry about it. Let's play.
Guys, be ready. Dad is here. Ever.
You better not be smoking in your room!
Hey, guess what? I love you. Will you marry me?
I'm sorry, Lily, but no.
I need to kill this snake before it kills someone. I'm a good boy.
What are you doing up there? Nothing. I just love my fastest ride in the world. Mom is not here. Let's watch a movie.
And then I kill them all. Babysitting ain't easy.
Mom, please. I will teach him everything. I said no. Thank you, Mommy.
You guys are not gonna paint dots on me, right?
Hey, buddy, no one's here. Pass the cheat sheet.
I will never leave them.
A few weeks later.
I should have killed you all when I had the chance.
Perfect.
Are you guys ready? She's coming.
Aw, thank you for this. Hey, I need your help. Thank you. Hey, you can suck my blood if you want to.
I told you not to hang out with him.
Is that true, Mom? You're a cheetah. I told you you're adopted. Stay away from him.
It's chickenpox. Now shut up and let me sleep.
He's so quiet.
I'm in love.
I'm sorry, kid. I couldn't find anything to eat.
It's okay, Mommy. I'm already full. Where the hell is he? He broke my human toy again. I'll find him and I'll kill him.
Is she gone? Hey, Dad? Dad, can you hear me? Dad!
I think my son is ignoring me these days.
Maybe we're too old and boring.
Seriously, guys? Why don't you come out of your shell? Are you okay?
Just go away. I'm not okay.
Let's talk now. Dad, I do not have kites anymore. That was last. Thank you, Daddy. I hate these spikes. I wish I had her body. What the fuck? Thank you, God, for these spikes.
You're too slow, bruh.
Hey, I want to be your friend.
But you look so scary.
Look at this.
What is it?
My Halloween costume.
Scary. Where's my brother Alex?
Have you seen my Halloween costume?
Do you know I love flowers? It's like they're a part of me.
You said you love flowers.
Meet my new friend. She doesn't talk much.
Hi.
Why are you so scared and sad?
You're going to eat me.
No, I just want a tight hug.
This looks yummy. Ew, Dad. I don't want to eat this. Let's start.
You did great today.
I know what you're thinking, you dirty boy! Can I join the party?
He was my ex, and I want to play with his heart the way he did with mine.
You mean this one?
I'm sorry, buddy. I can't keep you anymore. What are you doing? Let's go. What are you guys doing?
Staring at you until you wake up.
Thank you, but you need to see my new tattoo. You'll like it.
I really don't like your piercing and all this weird stuff. You look terrible and ugly. Do something about it.
We miss those big, warm mommy cuddles. We need her. We need those big cuddles.
Damn, you thick. Okay, you win. You always win.
It was all dark. Then the light came in.
We will be together forever.
65 million years later.
Don't worry, honey. You just go and come back soon. I'll handle them. They'll be fine with me. Mom, Sarah, look at him. He likes them.
I know.
What are you all doing?
Happy Father's Day, Dad.
You guys are doing it wrong. Always remember, black on white and white on black.
Thank God my parents are normal. Shit.
Don't worry, Mom. I'll protect it.
A few weeks later.
There can't be two worm eaters. Oh, really? Let's see.
When kids are asleep.
If you wake my kids, I'll rip your face off.
When mom is asleep.
Mom, are you ready? I'm going to jump.
Mom, can you hear me?
Baby, let's kiss.
Maniacs.
Stop being weird, you two.
Seriously?
Wait, I can't breathe. Dad, my teacher said do things that make your parents proud. How can I do that?
You don't have to. Just do whatever makes you smile.
Whee! You mean this?
Love you, baby.
I love you too.
Dad, it's disgusting. Get a room, you two.
Wake up, Dad. Happy birthday.
Okay.
Seriously? Mom!
What?
She did that!
No, it was him, Mommy.
I really miss those days. One more step and...
Do we deserve this?